Okay, problem number 2 is a rational inequality. What we're going to do is subtract 3 from both sides. What do you get? You get x plus 12 over x plus 2. Subtract 3 from both sides. You get 0. We want to get a comparison 0. Common denominator would be x plus 2. What do you get here? X plus 2. And let's see what you get on top. You get x minus 3x, which is minus 2x. And you get 12 minus 6, which is 6. All right? What do you do now? List the zeros on the top. There's only one 0 on top. The 0 on top becomes, the top becomes 0 at 3. And the bottom becomes 0 at minus 2. What do you do now? Simple sign analysis on those three intervals. You take a test point, for example, 4 here. If you plug it in on top, what do you get? A negative number. If you plug in a bottom, what do you get? A positive number. Overall, it's negative. I want to point out negative numbers are less than 0, so I'm going to shade that in. I'm going to take a test point over here. A good point between minus 2 and 3 would be 0. Plug it in. You get positive on top. On bottom, what do you get? Positive. Well, overall, the interval would be positive, and positive numbers are not less than 0, so we'll not shade that in. Let's go over here. Take a good test point, minus 3. Plug it in top. You get a positive number. On bottom, you get a negative number. Overall, it's negative. Negative numbers are less than 0, so I would shade this in. What do you do now? Write the intervals down. Minus infinity, up to minus 2. Don't touch it. Union, 3 to infinity. Put a box in that. Again, our goal is intervals. What do we recommend you do? Look at the answer that you have obtained by your work, and look at the answer that we're listing over here, and they should be the same answer. Thank you.